feels fantastic.
This is awesome.
Sounds like a train. Listen to that.
Blow the horn.
We've solved public transport. Literally solved it.
Yeah. The only thing that would really perfect the experience would be if there were steam. But as it's an old Jaguar, there's a very real chance.
But the old Jag ran like clockwork, so we returned to base.
You're all right. You're all right. You're all right.
To attach our equally brilliant carriages.
You're all right. You're all right.
A modern-day railway carriage costs in excess of £1 million. Ours didn't cost anything like that much.
Now, we have made some mechanical modifications. We've stripped out the central wheels and added one in each corner for extra stability. And we've introduced a class system.
Absolutely. Now, I have taken the Pageant CD Champagne model, no less, and used it to create first class.
Inside, it was beautifully appointed, creating an atmosphere that I hoped would resurrect the golden age of train travel for the discerning first-class passenger. Hammond, meanwhile, had been responsible for the buffet car and second class.
Just look at this. Inside. Smart, clean, functional. Everything the modern rail traveller wants and demands.
And at the back, there was Jeremy's creation.
This is the economy section. What I've done is I've fitted benches and on the floor, straw.